Okay, so we have our ingredients for our latkes. Now what do we need to make them with? Most important is a big frying pan. You want something that's going to be heavy and steadily hold the heat. So cast iron is a fantastic choice. Plus, they're also cheap. So you want to have a nice big cast iron, something that's going to hold a few pancakes while you're cooking them. Next, you're either going to need a grater. This is a box grater to shred your potatoes in, or if you don't have someone to help you do this, you're going to want a big, powerful food processor. This will make your life so much easier when shredding those potatoes. It can be done by hand. Numerous times my husband has wanted potato pancakes and he's had to shred the potatoes by hand. But if you want something quick and easy, use the food processor. You're also going to need a vegetable peeler to peel those potatoes if you don't want to scrub them and cut out all the spots that are inedible. A bowl that's big enough to mix up your potatoes, and a strainer because you're going to want to soak and strain the potatoes. So you need something in which to do that.